Hello, I want to show you what you should do if you face this kind of problem on your PC. As you can see, the screen of this PC is dark, nothing is working. And if you click on the Windows button, it will display that, and when you try opening, nothing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you plug your machine on charge. Charge. Then you want to hold the power button for about 15 seconds. Turn it off to turn it off. Okay, so take it. Okay, 15 seconds. Wait for some seconds and you power on. It should definitely come on normally this time. Finishing just came on. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.